Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Chainlink Link tokens from Bitmart to your Trezor hardware wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securing your assets in a hardware wallet like Trezor is one of the smartest moves you can make. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so let's prioritize safety every step of the way. First things first, before you start, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Bitmart account with some Link tokens in it, your Trezor wallet set up and connected to your computer, and your recovery seed phrase stored securely. Never share that with anyone. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log in to your Bitmart account using your email and password. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Chainlink balance. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal page. This is usually under a Withdraw or Transfer Out option in the menu. Select Chainlink Link from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Step 3. Now, you'll need your Trezor wallet address. Open your Trezor device, connect it to your computer, and use the Trezor Suite app to generate and copy your Link wallet address. Double-check this address. It's crucial to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Paste the address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. You'll also need to enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, here for an extra layer of security. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button and approve the transaction via 2FA if prompted. Step 6. Sit back and wait. Withdrawals to Trezor typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. You can track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan, since Chainlink runs on Ethereum. Finally, once it's done, open your Trezor wallet to confirm your Link tokens have arrived. Congrats! You've just secured your assets offline. If you run into any issues, reach out to Bitmart support or check Trezor's help resources. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying informed is key in crypto. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.